Okay, so over the past year or so, I have been looking at different designer bags because I want to add to my collection, and I do have a couple in mind, but I'm thinking I just don't like them enough to pull the trigger and spend the money. So frankly, I was really thrilled when Teddy Blake New York reached out to me and sent me this bag. It's gorgeous, and frankly, everything I was looking for in a new handbag. I wanted something that was classic and neutral in color, and something that could be worn really easily with a lot of the clothes that I wear. I wear a lot of neutrals and classic pieces, but I've been adding some more prints to my wardrobe and just to liven things up a bit, but still in a neutral vein. So this bag fits into my wardrobe perfectly. A little bit about Teddy Blake New York. They've been around since the 50s. I did not know this. All of the bags they make are of fine Italian leather. This particular bag is made of calfskin. It's got a really nice sheen to it. You can see that while not shiny, it does have a nice, like a touch of gloss to it. So what do I like about this handbag? As you can see, it's fairly big. I like myself a big handbag. I know that cute little crossbodies are really in right now, but that was something actually I didn't want to do. I didn't want to spend hundreds of dollars or thousands of dollars on a tiny little designer handbag that I can't get anything in. I have a little Gucci Dionysus bag, and it's about this big, and I can barely squash my iPhone 8 Plus into it because my phone is just too big. This fits everything. It's got a really nice long handle too, so you can wear it both crossbody. Since it's big, I like to wear it just over the one shoulder. And it's got just tons of beautiful details. So as you can see here, the strap is adjustable. I've got it so that it sits pretty much right on my hip, and it's got a cute little closure. You just bring it down like that and flip it up. So like I said, this bag is nice and roomy. I've got it full here. I've been using it just about pretty much every day since getting it. Another thing that I love about it, it's got this beautiful dusty pink interior, and on top of the dusty pink interior it's got a nice little slit pocket in here, so I put, you know, cards, my lip liners. It's quite tight, so I don't think, like, you can put lipsticks or something in there, but I just put skinny little stuff in there. This bag also features a really nice white top stitching, which is kind of a cool contrast. You can see that right there. It's really beautiful. The bag is beautifully made. All corners are double stitched. You can see that. And it features rivets everywhere to further secure things. It's just lovely. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with this bag. It's pretty much everything I wanted in a bag. There are so many designer bags out there that didn't really fit the criteria of everything that I was looking for, so I'm super happy that Teddy Blake sent me this bag. The name of this bag is the Sarah, so you can check out the Sarah collection. It also comes in a smaller version. You can check out these bags at teddyblake.com. I'll put all of the information in the description box of this video. So I filmed, I was out and about with my husband and he filmed me using the bag so you can get a better sense. But I'll also show you how this bag looks with the outfit that I'm wearing today. I wore it out for brunch with my girlfriends this morning and then took it out shopping, and it's just perfect. Oh my God, I love this bag. So I just wanted to show you guys also what's in my bag, so you guys have a sense of what it can fit here. So I'm just gonna open it up. So I have my Louis Vuitton zippy wallet. That's fairly large and heavy. I got a Louis Vuitton card holder. I've got some hand cream. I've got, let's see here, I've got a little compact. Just gonna put it back in its little velvet case here. Oh, this is taking too long. And I've got about 100 lipsticks. Let's see. Oh, I got them all. Imagine that. Okay. Hourglass. I'm feeling Hourglass right now, by the way. New MAC lipstick in Plum Dandy, the best, like, pink bronze. Picked up a Tom Ford lipstick in, the color is Adora, and it's beautiful. Some Kiko lipstick in a nice ginger bronze color. This awesome brand called Tone Cosmetics, and they specialize in nudes for women of color, and this one is Dark Cool 1, and it's what I'm wearing right now. Put a little bit on, more on, love it. And Laura Mercier's lip gloss here in Desert Rose. So yeah, this bag is fantastic. So, okay, I'll just give you a quick shot of what it looks like with my outfit, so hang tight. So I'm wearing my Sarah bag with some jeans I got from Aritzia and this silky little top from Zara. All goes really well together. Love it. So yeah, I love this bag. It's my new favorite. Oh, it smells good. The leather is so, so nice. So yes, I love this bag so much. It's like fulfilling all of my handbag dreams. If you guys would like one, you want to treat yourself, use code TBDominique20 on the teddyblake.com website. Use that code at checkout and you will receive $20 off your purchase. If you sign up with the Teddy Blake website also, you will get 35% off your first purchase also. Let me know what you think of the bag. Leave me any comments or questions in the comments section. I would love that. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Look up my blog. I'm styledomination.com. I do in-depth reviews of beauty and fashion and events I go to, so on and so forth. Yeah, if you love this video, please give me the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks so much for watching.